Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable topics notifications in X. If you're tired of being bombarded with notifications about various topics and want to regain control over your notification feed, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. As the app launches, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Push Notifications. By selecting this option, you'll gain control over the notifications that X sends to your device. Step 7. Finally, disable topics by either toggling the switch or selecting the appropriate option. This will turn off notifications specifically related to various topics. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled topics notifications in X, allowing you to have a more focused and personalized experience. Thank you for joining us, and may your X experience be tailored to your preferences, with fewer interruptions from topics notifications.